Wait, what? Bro! What's really good, people? It's your boy Shah back again with another video. It's Saturday, which means it's anime day, and we're going to kick it off with a My Hero Academia Season 4 Episode 2 reaction. I reacted to the subbed version of Season 4 Episode 1 last week. I'm going to be reacting to the dubbed version of Episode 2 this week, just to see which one I prefer. Let me know in the comments which ones you want me to react to going forward, whether it be sub or dubbed. I know people have issues, but I don't personally mind either way. Last time on My Hero Academia was a recap episode, but it was a really good recap episode. We found out more about the superhero world that these guys live in. There was a new reporter who discovered that All Might was now passing the torch to a new symbol of peace, and it was just a good twist that he wasn't a scumbag. He wasn't there to expose Deku or anything like that. He just wanted to know that there was hope and that there would be a new symbol of peace in the future. So I think this episode is called Overhaul. Maybe we get insight into this villainous character. I don't know anything about him at the moment. I don't read the mangas. Let's just jump straight into the reaction.
Study. Wait, who is this again?
Ah.
Be taking anyone for the program, Gran Torino?
Sorry, kid. I'm working on something else right now, so I can't help you out. Oh, wait.
I know who you are. You're that useless
Wait, we've seen this before, this scene.
I know that I've been useless. If I'm gonna be the #1 hero, then
I've got to work even harder. First one who comes to mind is his former sidekick.
Sir Night Eye.
Night Eye.
What gives? Is this guy famous or something?
My master showed me a picture of him. He's what you'd call Yakuza. The young head of the Shie Hasaikai. To what do we owe the pleasure?
What?
He's the #2 of the whole gang? Ooh, I've never met anyone like him before. He smells
gang?
so dangerous. How exciting.
What's the deal? We're all criminals here, so how is this guy different?
Yeah.
Allow me to tell you a story. Frankly, they're obsolete. An endangered species.
Endangered species, huh? I guess that's true.
What is going on?
Who's a thug from the slums doing here? Let me guess, you're excited about All Might's retirement too?
It's good that he's gone, sure. But I'm more interested in All for One's absence.
What?
The old-timers always feared him, even after rumors of his death. Honestly, though, most people my age thought he was an urban legend.
You got tired?
Imagine the shock when he showed up in the flesh.
States of Smash!
In the end, the big
Love that.
battle. Who will step up to take their places?
You're looking for a leader.
I don't know who my master is, but you've still got the nerve to ask that. Sounds like a challenge. I'm the next leader. Even now, I'm gathering my troops. Our numbers continue to increase. Goal without a plan is just a wish. If that's what you're offering, why should I join you? What happens after you increase your forces? Do you have any idea how you'd even organize your league? You had the hero killer Stain at your side. Muscular, Moonfish, all first-class game pieces. And you lost them. Maybe you just didn't know how to play the game.
Oh, shit.
Leave.
Sorry about you, small fry, but we didn't band together to serve under somebody's boot.
Let's see what his quirk is. Let's go.
We're free to decide for ourselves exactly where we belong.
Oh, damn. Wait, what? Bro!
I'm filthy now.
What just happened?
The aftermath.
Okay, it's no joke. Let's go.
No! I have to seal this guy away! Why isn't my quirk working? Don't touch me!
What?
Shield!
Oh, he's got people.
Now I get it.
He did not come alone.
You should have just started with this. Saved us all some time.
That was a close one, Overhaul. You're late. And I missed a shot. But at least we know they work.
I don't want to rush you, but the sooner we talk, the better. Think things over carefully. Consider how your organization should be run. Then, when you've calmed down, call me.
They gotta pay for this. Why can't I go after them?
Think, Gene.
Yeah, why?
We need to get Atsuhiro to a dock.
Right.
Power wouldn't work. Damn, that hurts.
Maybe we do have time to make them bleed.
No.
And we all agree. It's too soon. They should really be canceled.
Yeah, I was like,
We
what?
already met about them.
But I can't introduce you.
What?
Emphasis on I.
Third-year student Mirio Toga
Oh, someone else has to do it. Okay.
with you. Please head to the counseling office at once. I repeat. Third-year student Mirio.
Crazy, he wants
Miriam!
Wonder what it's
Power!
Why don't you tell me what kind of hero you want to be? What kind?
There's always a smile on his face, no matter how bad things get. Even when everything looks impossible.
That's the kind of hero he wants to be.
I can be a hero too.
I want to save people with a smile
And?
I want to be strong so I won't worry people. I want to always win and save everybody. I want to become the greatest. Got it?
Wow, he changed it based on his experiences. Look at his hands. Shit.
Wow. That was a lot. There's no reason for me to say no, though, so yeah.
Well done, young Midoriya.
Oh, thank you so much! Sure. I always figured Sir would take a liking to you anyway. I sure hope he does! If you want to be acknowledged by him, here's a tip. You need to do one important thing at this meeting. You gotta make him laugh. Then he'll totally approve of you.
No!
What
Deku's not
does
funny.
that mean? Exactly what it sounds like. He seems stern, but he really values humor for some reason. It's like irony or something, I think.
What's going to do to her?
Heyo, I brought that first-year dude I mentioned yesterday. Sir Night Eye's agency. Let's see what kind of place this
That's a hero's entrance. What's he doing? What?
What kind of place is this?
See, this is how loud and energetic you can be.
What kind of sexual torture is this?
I can do that. In order to become the #1 hero, I'm Izuku Midoriya. I admired All Might so much that I practiced my impression of him in the mirror for years. I'm good at making people laugh. So if this doesn't work, I'm done for.
What is this, boy? Are you ridiculing All Might?
Damn. No.
He's not funny.
He has to laugh, right? So there we have it. Another episode in bag. An introduction into Overhaul, which was really, really interesting. I thought he was going to join the league, but he's there to lead it himself. His team and his quirk, I still don't know too much about. I think his quirk was to explode people. But obviously he had one guy there shooting, I think, darts that stopped one of the villains from using their quirk. He had one that he used as a shield who died when Shigaraki attacked him. And then he had a few others that were with him. We had an introduction into Sir Night Eye, who I want to know a lot about. He has some weird obsession with humor. And it's maybe sexual in nature because he was doing some madness to his sidekick. Deku really needs to get into this work study and he needs to be stronger. I want to see him do some training under some real life circumstances and I'm excited for the next episode. Anyways guys, that was my reaction to My Hero Academia Season 4 Episode 2 Overhaul. Let me know what you thought about the reaction and the episode in the comment section down below. Smash the like button if you enjoyed this video. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. The links will be in the description. Turn those post notifications on. Subscribe if you're new to my channel. And as usual, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Taylor about the fucking flex.